Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by freeing resources. Close all background apps and clear RAM so the device can dedicate memory to Roblox. Next, connect to the fastest network available, prefer a stable Wi-Fi with low ping or a reliable mobile hotspot. Once connected, open Roblox and immediately set graphics to low and disable voice chat. This reduces CPU and network load. These first actions cut both rendering and networking strain, giving you a baseline where more detailed adjustments will actually make a difference. Now focus on system and app settings to stabilize performance. Toggle your phone to performance mode if available. Sometimes battery saver throttles CPU and worsens lag. Turn off background app refresh and reduce system animations to cut GPU work. Check for Roblox and operating system updates, then clear the app cache. If issues persist, reinstall Roblox to remove corrupted files. These steps reduce CPU/GPU overhead and eliminate software conflicts. So finish by stabilizing your network and validating performance. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a close mobile hotspot to cut latency, and if the game server is crowded, switch to another region. Stop any streaming or large downloads on the network and run a quick speed and ping test. Low bandwidth or high jitter causes stuttering. Restart your phone to clear lingering processes, then launch Roblox and play a short session. If lag remains, report measured ping and error behavior. That data speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.